Babies and toddlers will be fascinated by the surprising outcomes of their actions when they play with the cause and effect mini kit. With a drop and find ball box, your baby will have to use their hand-eye coordination to drop the ball into the box. And then the ball has disappeared. They'll have to learn that even if the ball is out of sight, it's still there, and then problem solve to get the ball out. It comes with both a rattle ball and a wooden ball, so your baby can experience the contrast between the two. The balls are the same size and shape, but they feel and sound different. The Making Sounds Rain Rattle is so fun to shake because your baby can see where the sounds are coming from. Most rattles have a filler inside, but these stainless steel balls make a really satisfying sound that you might even find soothing too. Just listen. Babies love mirrors. They will love to open and close the It's Me mirror as they begin to learn that the face they see in the mirror is their own. Uh-oh might be one of your baby's first words. This board book has flaps that reveal how everyday uh-ohs can be turned around. Your baby is going to want to read this over and over again, and that repetition is perfect for language development at this age. Everything is designed to work together to support your baby's development.